Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel Sophie Stained Glass. Lots of videos about architectural glass, mostly leaded glass. Have a look, hopefully you'll find something of interest. Today's video is about encapsulating leaded panels inside double glazed units, and I went along to my local friendly glazers, Allbright Glass. If you are local to Ealing, might I suggest they are the best glazers in town. Always very friendly and helpful to me, give me invaluable advice, and they let me film them doing it today, which was very tolerant of them. And it's quite an interesting process, so I hope you enjoy watching it. Thank you. So this is desiccant, and you put it in all of the bars, do you?
The two longest edges of the unit.
Right. So is that totally full?
Yeah, fill up the two longest edges.
Right.
So you've got the pump where where it's all in there. You've got the
So
hose.
where have you filled it?
So it gets filled up in here.
All right. Oh wow. Right. Okay. And then 185 degrees.
Yeah, so the pump is heated up, that's why that goes into. The gun has to be continually heated to 185 degrees, and so does the gun. So the hose, the gun, and the...
And the goo. Brilliant. That go off that quickly. So there we have it. That's how the professionals do it. And next week I'll make a film of those windows actually going in. So some panels are coming out of some frames so that it's going into a school, so that the school can have some holy glass put into the frames. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.